Hi guys, welcome back to GBP USD daily analysis by IFX. So guys, on Friday we were buying this. As you guys can see, the price is still there. And on weekly analysis, I guess we were bullish as well. So guys, for today I'm with the buyers, and as long as the price stays above 1.33559, guys, I think we will be seeing 1.339991 soon. And it's pound, and pound is kind of volatile as compared to euro. Sometimes it doesn't move a lot, sometimes it moves a lot. So I also put in the second target as well, and the second target, guys, would be 1.34362. And guys, if you break below this, we become bearish. Keep in mind, guys, if you break below this, we become bearish, and once you become bearish, we will be normally seeing 1.32965. And just for more bearish confirmation, I would like the price to break below 1.33481. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.